Ready to unlock the secret weapon for eye-catching videos? Let's dive into the world of keyframes in CapCut PC and turn your static edits into dynamic masterpieces. First, import your video clip into CapCut and drag it onto the timeline. This is where the magic happens. Select the clip you want to animate now. Find the keyframe icon. It looks like a diamond, usually located near the video properties. Click that diamond icon to add your first keyframe. This marks the starting point of your animation. Now, move the playhead on the timeline to where you want your animation to change. This is where you'll add your second keyframe. With the playhead in the new position, adjust the properties of your clip like position, scale, rotation, or opacity to how you want it to look at that point in time. CapCut automatically creates a new keyframe reflecting these changes. The transition between the two keyframes creates the animation. You can add as many keyframes as you need to create complex animations. Experiment with different properties to achieve the desired effect. For smoother transitions, adjust the keyframe interpolation. Right-click on a keyframe and choose from options like linear, ease in, or ease out. This controls the speed of the animation. And that's it. You've successfully added and manipulated keyframes in CapCut. Now, go forth and create stunning visual effects and dynamic videos that will captivate your audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks.